the GemLightbox, it was great. It's something that we've been using now for a while, and a lot of the customers have appreciated this product, and it really helps them and really helps the photo and the video quality of seeing the stone in the best kind of light without having to block out all the windows, and it gives you a nice stationary amount of light where you don't have to worry about anything else, and it's simple and easy to use, and it's really been appreciated a whole lot here at CEL, and a lot of our customers have appreciated it too as well.
So as you can see, this emerald is free of inclusions. This goes into the GemLightbox. And we tap to record. As you can see, we get really beautiful crystals, very accurate color, and clarity is absolutely amazing. Okay, so over here we've got a Panchi emerald. It's 3.87 carats, and as you can see, if you take an up-close shot of this, there's some inclusions which we want to try capture inside the GemLightbox. So emerald goes in to the GemLightbox just like that. Once the emerald is centered, we tap to focus. Increase the brightness until we get a beautiful white background. And we tap to record. Now, each of our LED lights inside the GemLightbox has been color calibrated to give true color accuracy when you're recording videos and taking photos of your gemstones. Okay, so as you can see, just like that, we've captured a 15-second 360 video of this 3.87 carat Panchi emerald. So once the emerald's in the center, we tap the red button to record. You can choose to switch daylight on or off, depending on if you want to capture a white background or a richer and more vivid green color in your emeralds. My recommendation is to take a video of each. Another angle that we can use to shoot the emerald is from the top. So to show you how that works, we simply remove the top GemLightbox cover, position our phone on the top of the GemLightbox, and we simply hold the emerald using the tweezers and press record. Gemstone dealers like capturing emeralds using this angle as it is a very quick and easy way to capture the true color, clarity and liveliness of the emerald to send to customers. So just like that, we've saved a video into the gallery. From the gallery, we can select the videos that we want to send to our customers. Simply press the export button and choose what platform you want to upload or send your emeralds on.